Hey, it's Kyle here from Similarweb. Let's say that you already know who your competitors are. Well, you can use Similarweb to easily keep tabs on them so you never miss any of their digital marketing moves. To do that, we're going to a part of the platform called Dashboards, which you can find here. By clicking New Dashboard in the top left-hand corner, you'll see our robust collection of dashboard templates. To use one, simply select it, add the websites and country, and click Create. It's that easy. I've already built out a dashboard using the SEO template here. As you can see, it contains really nice compact views of aggregate traffic, bounce rate, visit duration, keyword traffic share, and you can also add custom metrics. You could take this a step further too and create a completely custom dashboard by adding metrics one by one. It's worth noting that you can also share dashboards with your team as well as subscribe to them to get email notifications every time there's new data for you to review, and you can export them. So in conclusion, Similarweb dashboards are your secret weapon for easily keeping tabs on the competition so you can stay ahead.